Good morning, good morning. Happy Saturday, everyone. Today is our big day, my big day. Right, Nining?
Yeah.
Today is what?
June 1st.
So, what
Your
is...
birthday.
Oh, really? Today is my birthday. Look at that. The age is secret.
I know it.
Yan. It's a windy day. It's a beautiful day. Today is Mama's birthday. You sing happy birthday for me.
Huh?
You sing happy birthday?
But you also have birthday with Nina Marley.
Yeah, later.
You sing happy
Yeah.
birthday. Do you guys even have a cake?
Yeah, she said we have. I told her I wanna buy, but she said we have already.
Okay.
Yan. Thank you guys sa lahat ng nag-wish sa aking birthday. Thank you, thank you. God bless us all. And I'm very lucky to have you all. To my family, my friends, and everyone. Thank you very much. Another additional day. Additional day, additional year, and month for me. Yeah. Wala naman pa, ang i-wish ko lang po is laging good health lang po, and then lagi lang maayos ang pamilya at mga anak ko. Ayan. Yun naman po ang importante sa atin, and more blessings to come. Diba guys? Later on ang aming party. Kasi po magka birthday kami ng aking kumari Marlene Chasico. Shout out, happy birthday to you, Maricoy. Ninang po ni baby, si kumari Marlene. Ngayon pong Saturday din ay merong piano lesson si baby. Punta po kami doon sa sa bahay ng cousin ko, si Irene. Kasi may piano siya doon at nagpa-piano lesson din po yung kanyang anak. Kaya nakisabay kami si baby para po meron siyang activities, right baby? You love to do piano? To learn piano?
Yeah.
Soon we will buy for you. Very beautiful day today. Napakaganda po ng weather. June 1st, yeah. Summer start, start now. So hanggang po ito, August. Summer namin. And then after August is what? September, and what is the weather? It's
Hot summer.
yeah. Spring na no, not spring. Mag-winter na po ulit. So, ganyan lang is here already.
Where?
Yeah?
No,
No?
I don't know if that's your car.
Oh no, that's not. I don't know. I know.
Bye, guys.
Wait. I should park down there.
No, don't park here because someone's driving.
No, no, no. I park in the
They
islands.
cannot.
Do it lang. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.